Hello everybody, it is time for July's, not pattern, but patterns. There's a hint in there that this time in July we are not releasing one pattern. Actually, we've already released the bow bag.
Yes.
So not one pattern.
Not two patterns.
But
three
patterns. Patterns 2 and 3 we have here. So it is the lovely Emily top, which we're all sporting, and the Keira shorts. So they are hopefully going to become your everyday summer staples. Shall we talk through the Emily top first?
Yes, let's start with Emily.
So Emily
Versatile
is...
Central.
It is Versatile Central, that is exactly what it is. It is a quite a simple camisole shape, but with some fun going on. So there's two different necklines. We've got a scoop neck, I'm wearing, and then these ladies have got on the V-neck, and then we've got a scooped back, and then there's a higher back as well. And then you can also do jazzy frill.
Yes.
Or no frill at all to make it a super classic, sleek camisole.
That's your really your go-to basic everyday cami top. It's perfect, and we'll put some pictures in of Sue who sported her lovely. So classic. She just looked so chic. I mean, that's maybe just Sue, but we want to take some credit for the top. With jeans, she just looked
so good. I think when she was modelling, we were instantly like, oh yeah, Sue should just take that home.
She can keep it because it suited her so much. It was so cute. And then Emily, we kept this one because the fabric is so cute and we wanted to take it to shows, but Emily looked equally wonderful in hers.
Adorable.
So cute in the strawberries. Sorry, Emily, you didn't get to keep it.
We have to be selfish sometimes.
Sometimes.
And the other thing is that there's two different lengths. So I'm wearing the cropped version, which comes sort of just below your natural waist, so it's quite nice to sort of silhouette with high-waisted things. And it also, I think, the length means you're not really going to have much skin on show at all.
No, but it gives that
It just gives that sort of light vibe. And then full length, which you can see on the mannequin.
You can wear tucked in like I am, which is perfect in the shorts. We'll talk about that later. But the full length is really pretty. It has a shaped hem. I'll put a picture in. So you get a really nice shape on the side, I think.
Yeah, it's
a
lovely.
nice detail. And it covers your bum, which is something that our customers sometimes ask about. It definitely covers your bum. So it's perfect over jeans, over kind of straight-legged trousers.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
But also great tucked in. It's a good enough length that you can get it tucked in. If you want to show off something like the Keira shorts, which are great, and they have some really lovely details. So I think, with the crop top or the tucked in version,
you want to show off the top of the Keiras.
So you've got some pleats at the front in the Keira shorts. You've got a zip fly, thank you, that's the word. A zip fly. You've got a slanted pocket, two slanted pockets, what am I talking about? Two slanted pockets. You've got, at the back, you've got patch pockets. These are square, but you could make them shaped should you want to follow our tutorial. And you've got the very cute detail of these belt loops that are pointy.
Yeah, just
shaped a little bit. It's just an extra little yummy detail. And then you finish them off with a button just sewn on top, so no buttonholes, but it's really cute. And then you can wear these with a belt, and you've got turn-ups here. So the effect of the Keira shorts is a little bit vintage, a little bit land girl, we were saying. Definitely vintage inspired, but we added some hidden comfort in there, because sometimes vintage clothes aren't as comfortable. So there is actually two little panels of elastic in the back waistband, so it doesn't go all the way around, but just two little areas, and it just gives you that little bit of ease, a bit of movement. When you sit down, it's comfy.
Yes, exactly.
And it's also easier to fit. So I found it very helpful actually having that elastic in there. And these are a little bit more, not complicated, but a bit more involved. So the shorts, the Keira shorts are aimed at intermediate. Whereas the Emily,
confident beginner.
So you've got a bit of both. And let's talk fabrics. So for Emily, for example.
Alma and I have both got viscoses on. They're nice and swishy, and the frill kind of, it's quite a full frill, so it pops up sometimes, but it kind of sits a bit closer down. We've got a viscose linen here, which is quite similar. It's sort of a little bit heavier, so it hangs maybe a little bit straighter. but you can basically do it in a lot of fabrics. We've got Sue's version in a broderie on glaze,
Beautiful.
which is really pretty.
And you designed the frill is designed to be used with something like a broderie,
Exactly,
right?
yeah. So both the scoop and the V-neck frills are cut on the straight or the cross grain. You can do them either way, but it basically means they're nice straight pieces that you can make use of on border prints perhaps, or on broderie on glazes. So I'm thinking if you've got a cool border print with some really nice, something
Design
strong
on the bottom
that'll go along
yeah.
the frill, and then something quite plain on the cami.
Oh, that would look so
Would
good.
look really nice, yeah. So someone please make that so we can
do
see it.
that.
And then
viscose, we've said we've got a cotton, sort of like a polycotton in gingham that we use.
yes,
Or a seersucker polycotton. I don't know
Oh,
what it is, but
yeah.
it's got some body, and it works really well. I think cotton and maybe linen as well work well for the crop top version as
that
well.
sort of
as it-
boxier shape.
Yeah, the boxier
Yeah.
shape, exactly. Viscose, I would say, works for any version. And you could do, viscose linen is best of both worlds. But yeah, I think most woven fabrics,
I
basically.
think so, yeah. Just thinking about sort of what sort of structure do you want?
Yeah.
Do you want it drapey? Do you want it boxy? And
Go
sort of
from
be led
there.
by that. And then for Keira, obviously they're short, so something a bit heavier.
Yeah.
Yours are cotton twill.
Cotton twill. We have Emily in some beautiful denim Keira shorts. That works very well. But you even made a version just in a cotton. It's almost like a quilting cotton,
like a quilting
isn't it?
weight, yeah. So
cute.
easy to sew with. So if you're kind of scared of trousers or shorts or something, if you use something like a quilting cotton, that takes so much of the fear away.
So much of it.
And you get so many jazzy prints.
It's so cute. I mean, we've said the ones you made are now your gardening shorts.
I know, they were a wearable
So
12
cute.
and now they're in my wardrobe.
But imagine in a tropical print.
Yeah.
Hello holiday. Hello cruise. I'm not going on one, I wish I was, but you know, that's the vibe I'm thinking.
Yes.
But then if you make them in a plain colour, like this one that I'm wearing, then you can
Mix and match
wear
with
them, mix and match
everything.
with so many things that you already have in your wardrobe, and with so many Emilys that you're going to make after today. And in denim, of course, that's got to be the
I think
most
the
versatile
classic,
one,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because you can wear it with anything: t-shirts, camis, tops of various types. But yeah, I think this is a good basis, and then the Emily top can be made several times.
Yes,
I'd say make
absolutely.
yourself a good solid pair of Kiras and then
That's
play
it.
around with lots of
Like
Emilys,
3
right?
Emilys per Keira, maybe.
Perfect, that's the ratio. And so of course you can buy each pattern separately, but we've also created a bundle. We love bundles these days. So those are bundles of our patterns together that give you a little bit of a saving. So the Emily plus Keira bundle gives you a 10% saving.
Yeah.
So if you've got your eye on both of them, definitely get the bundle.
Yeah.
It's a no-brainer. And also we were talking about maybe you could make
making
both
some
in the same
coats.
fabric for a cord. That would be cute.
Yeah, we think
fabric
probably
do you
like viscose linen would be the happy medium of what both patterns want to get that kind of matching. But I think a cord would be so nice, and like a navy viscose linen and maybe a cropped Emily would actually be really smart.
Very smart.
Like you
Yeah.
could almost like heels, bit
Yeah.
fancy. Or I think it could be like
Like
summer
that.
workwear.
Well, there you
Just
go.
thought, I'm off to make that now.
But yes, they are. What we were thinking is that this will be your summer uniform, basically,
Yes.
your everyday go-to outfit, because you can have different combinations. But it's so comfy.
Yeah.
It's very fresh, because today especially it's
Stifling.
boiling, and so it's good. And it's, you know, we had the Sophia dress for your special days
Yes,
in the summer,
feeling glam.
feeling glam, feeling dressed up. This is what I actually want to live in every day.
Exactly.
And I'm very happy I get to take my sample home finally, because it's been a long time.
It's always the day of
comfy.
recording these videos, and then
Like,
they all
yes.
come home with us. And it's my
Come to
wardrobes.
mama.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've told you about the different versions. So Emily has lots of options. Keira is just the one version, but what else do you need, honestly?
She's a classic.
She's a classic. And they both come in a full range of sizes of UK 6 to 30. They are, for the top, it's
Confident beginner.
Confident beginner. For the shorts, it's intermediate. I think that's it.
That's it.
But yes, we're very excited
Ooh,
about it.
If you want to share them.
Yes,
Or
the
if you want
hashtag.
to have a look at what other people have
Peruse.
made. So for the top, it is SOI Emily top. And for the shorts, it's SOI Keira shorts, and that's Keira with a K.
Yes.
So yes, hopefully there'll be some people's versions popping up, or if you just want to have a nosy at ours too, we'll be on there.
We'll be posting lots of, you know, inspiration from our models, modelling, which is 2 of them are here, it's us, plus Emily and Sue. And we'll have styling videos, we'll have ideas of what to...
thought of another thing.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll have some stitch school help.
Oh yes, we will.
Coming
soon.
soon. A video to help. So Emily is finished with the facing on the
Really
inside.
neat.
It's so nice and neat. But you've got to do a burrito sewing method to do that. So if you've not heard of that, it's just a very neat way of finishing things all in one. And because of the frill on Emily, you have to do this in a slightly different way.
It's slightly different from what we've
From your
used
kind of
before,
classic
right?
burrito, yeah. So
but
there'll
it's
be
a really
help soon.
nice, neat finish. So
It is
it'll be
so
good that
satisfying.
you can follow along with the video
Yes.
to really nail it. But yes.
And I think that is actually
I think that is it. And now go and get your Emily top and Keira shorts and make yourself a summer uniform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you very soon, I'm sure.
See you soon.
Bye.